What's your name? My name is Jessie. What's your name? My name is Jessie. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. What do you do? I am a student. What do you do? I am a student. How old are you? I'm 16 years old. How old are you? I'm 16 years old. What's the weather like? It's sunny. What's the weather like? It's sunny. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one brother. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 14th July. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 14th July. Where do you live? I live in London. Where do you live? I live in London. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Can you speak English? Yes, I can. Do you like coffee? No, I prefer tea. Do you like coffee? No, I prefer tea. What are you doing? I am reading a book. What are you doing? I am reading a book. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. Where did you go yesterday? I went to the park. What did you eat for breakfast? I had cereal and milk. What did you eat for breakfast? I had cereal and milk. What day is today? It's Monday. What day is today? It's Monday. Are you married? No, I'm single. Are you married? No, I'm single. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have a dog. What's your mother's name? Her name is Mary. What's your mother's name? Her name is Mary. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. What's your favorite food? I love pizza. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. How many languages do you speak? I speak 2 languages. What's your hobby? I enjoy painting. What's your hobby? I enjoy painting. What's your job? I'm a teacher. What's your job? I'm a teacher. Do you like sports? Yes, I like soccer. Do you like sports? Yes, I like soccer. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a pen. Who is that? That's my friend. Who is that? That's my friend. Why are you sad? I lost my wallet. Why are you sad? I lost my wallet. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. Where is the bathroom? It's down the hall. Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? Can you help me? Sure. What do you need? How much is it? It's $10. How much is it? It's $10.